So here you're asked to measure with the protractor and then use the angle tools. So I'm going to move my protractor over here to LBA. First thing, it's going to take a little bit to play with because you only have the 2 points to be able to manipulate here. So as I turn 1 point, try to get it lined up, I'm going to have to move it a little bit more. But the idea is to get it pretty close here, and I can see that if I get pretty darn close to that it's about 50 degrees. How do I know? I've got my line here and I'm reading on the outside 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 degrees. And if I use my angle tool to measure, I'm going to go counterclockwise. So I go from A to B to L. And let me move my protractor away. I can see that is, it says 50 degrees, and that little measurement just doesn't want to move right now, but it says 50 degrees. All right, let's check next one, MFE. So I want to get it near point F, and I see I've got to move my protractor. I've got to angle it up. So you can see I'm off just a little bit still, so play with it just a little bit more. And if I do that, I can see here, got it pretty much on, and I'm coming straight up. I can see that 10, 20, this time I'm reading on the inside numbers because I'm starting at 0 and counting upward, that I'm coming to 90 degrees. And if I see that symbol there, that helps me also know it's 90 degrees. And I could also measure it to verify. So E, F, M, there's my 90 degree measure. And it tells me it's 90 degrees. All right, let's check the next one. NHG, so that's over here. So I need to choose a ray that I'm going to use for my side to line up, and I'll use HG. See how close I am here. I need to move it a little bit more. And move it down a little. Getting closer. So it goes a little faster when you have a real protractor versus trying to do it on here. But I can see, okay, I'm going from 0 here, so I'm going to count around on the inside of this protractor. 90, 100, 150, 160, and if I count those little tick marks, I'm right at 165 degrees. So let's verify that. So I'm going to get my angle tool here, G, H, N, and that's 165 degrees. All right, so let's go to the next one. So now I'm at CDJ, and I can use either side. So maybe we'll use DJ just to do something different here. I'm going to flip it upside down. I'm getting real close now, so and if I look, get it lined up. There we go. Now here, the outer numbers are the ones that are counting up from 0 onward. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 degrees. Or if I did use the inner ones, it's 180, and this is marked at 80. So from 80 to 180 is also 100 degrees. So let's do that angled using the GeoGebra protractor measurement. And here, 100 degrees. All right, last one. We got a very, very small angle here. So try to get this, play with those 2 points, get lined up. Oh, almost there. Really close, just to get lined up with the dead center. And I can see, okay, I'm going to read my outer measurements. I'm going from 0 to 10 to 20, and that looks like it's right about 25 degrees. So let's do our angle measure to verify it. So I come I, R, K, and 25 degrees.